Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about the real numbers. Without knowing real numbers, we cannot enter into any chapter, say geometry, progressions, ratio and proportion. In lower class, say 6th or 7th class, you may learn number line. Here 4 bars are there, 1, 2, 3, 4. We will count from 1. The similar way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roses are there. These are countable numbers. These countable numbers are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on to infinite. The least number is 1. 1 is the smallest number and natural numbers are denoted by a letter capital N. Adding 1 and 2, you will get 3. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. If you observe clearly, the sum of the two numbers are 3, 5, 8. These numbers are also natural numbers. If we add any two natural numbers, you will get a natural number. If you subtract 3 minus 3, you will get 0. So 0 is not a natural number. Hence, they introduced whole numbers. Whole numbers and number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and infinite. So W is denoted for whole numbers. 0 is the smallest number. The biggest number is endless. So it is denoted infinite. If you subtract 7 from 5, you will get minus 2. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 is not there in natural numbers. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are whole numbers. Minus 2 is not there in whole numbers, so they introduced integers. Integers, a number line. On left side of 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on up to minus infinity. On right side of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinity. These numbers are denoted by a letter Z, that is nothing but integers. Right side of 0 are called positive integers and left side of 0 are called negative integers. 0 is neither negative nor positive integer. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinite are subsets of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. Whole numbers are subset of integers minus infinite to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to infinite. Natural numbers are subset of whole numbers. Whole numbers are subset of integers. And what about 3 by 2? So numerator and denominators are natural numbers. When you divide natural numbers, then this 3 by 2 is not in natural numbers. This 3 by 2 is not in whole numbers. 3 by 2 is not in integers. Then they introduced rational numbers. Rational numbers. Any number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. PQ is equal to Z. Z is nothing but either it must be positive integer or negative integer. And one more condition, that Q should not be equal to 0. That means any number divided by 0 is not a rational number. 3 by 2 is one example for rational number. 8 by 5 is a rational number. 7 by 2 is one more example for rational number. Minus 11 by 4 also rational number. 3 is not a rational number because 3 is a natural number, whole number, and also positive integer. Minus 5 is a negative integer. 5 by 0. In denominator place there is 0. We already told that P by Q, in the Q's place 0 is there. So hence it is not a rational number. Any number divided by 0, we will get 0 only. 0 is a whole number. Natural numbers denoted by a letter capital N. These are the subsets of whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by a letter capital W. Whole numbers are subset of integers. In integers, there are positive integers and negative integers. Integers are denoted by letter Z. Integers are subset of rational numbers. Irrational numbers. Non-recurring and non-terminating decimals are called irrational numbers. For example, pi, the value of pi is equal to 3.145592653589979 and so on. This number is non-recurring and non-terminating decimal, hence pi is called irrational number. Root 2. The value of root 2 is equal to 1.414235 and so on. It is also non-recurring and non-terminating decimal, hence root 2 is called irrational number. Square root of prime numbers is always irrational. Example, root 5, root 3, root 7 are irrational numbers.